In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and use checkboxes in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheets document and decide where you want the checkboxes to live. Click a single cell, drag to select a range, or select an entire column by clicking its letter at the top. If you're building a task list, it's a good idea to leave the first row for headers, so your checkboxes start on the second row. Getting the selection right up front saves time later. With your cells selected, go to the Insert menu in the top toolbar and choose Checkbox. The moment you do this, every selected cell becomes an interactive checkbox. You'll see a small box appear in each cell, and under the hood, Google Sheets treats these as true when checked and false when unchecked. That makes them perfect for dashboards, task lists, trackers, and simple yes/no inputs. Now try using them. Click any checkbox to mark it as checked, and click again to uncheck it. If you prefer the keyboard, select a cell and press the spacebar to toggle. You can also quickly fill checkboxes down a column by dragging the small square handle at the bottom right corner of a selected cell. To customize behavior, combine checkboxes with conditional formatting or formulas. For a clean task list, you might strike through a task when its checkbox is checked. Select the task text range, open Format, choose Conditional Formatting, and set a custom formula like il a $2. True if column A holds the checkboxes. Pick a format style such as strike-through and a lighter text color. When you check a box, the related task updates automatically. You can also build summaries with formulas. For example, countif A2A true counts how many items are completed, while isaka countif A2A false shows what's left. To list only unfinished tasks, use each filter B2B A2A false, where column B contains the task names. Finally, if you want to reuse your checkboxes elsewhere, just copy and paste the cells. The checkbox property comes along for the ride, so you can quickly replicate the setup on another section or sheet. If you're copying formatting and behavior without overwriting existing content, consider paste special options to keep everything tidy. That's it. You've added checkboxes, learned how to toggle them, customized their behavior with formatting and formulas, and reuse them across your sheet. This simple feature can make your spreadsheets more interactive and your workflows more organized.